This is another mini sort of like podcast on an anatomy of a trade. It's Thursday, the 19th of July, and I'm just going to go quickly through one of the trades which I've been doing this morning. I had a bit of a choppy time this morning. So if you look at the screen, look at number one. I'm currently short on the DAX at one lot at 12,708. Okay, been short since 08. You can see now it's 680. If we go to number two, you will see the profit on that particular trade, which is £600. But my overall P&L is a loss, totaling 1,155. Now I did do a cheeky little thing really, because I funded another account and also went short to increase my lot size. So if you go to number three, you'll see a second broker account where I've also shorted it at 25, which is a little bit, it's almost like the equivalent of a one lot in the DAX. On that particular trade, I'm also up 565. So if you take that 565 off the 1,155, that would be my sort of net P&L, which is a loss, still a loss. Okay, so how to sort of trade out of it? That's the next question, and I'd like to come on to that now. So if we look at number one, what we see here is the hourly chart on the DAX, and number one was yesterday's sort of trading session, and it was a little bit very choppy, to be honest. I was expecting it to go a lot higher. It didn't go high, and so a lot of wounds, but I actually made a bit of profit actually yesterday. So number two, that's the opening. The price dropped. I was actually in at 733 long, and I was long and wrong pretty badly. And you'll see that number three is a confirmation that it's actually now a downward trend. Now that particular shape, that trade what you see, where you've got one bar which is all red, and then the second bar is tried to come back up to where the first bar was, and sort of reached up and then back down again, sort of like an upside down sort of hammer, if you like. Okay, at that point is the level point where I'm going short. Okay, now on number four, you'll see it on the 15-minute chart. Number four, that particular candle, if you like, was the catalyst and represents that sort of candle number three. Okay, so hold on. This is my that was my squawk there. Anyway, so come number five now, and we've got, for me, really strong confirmation that this is a downward trend. Okay, and so I'm going short on this. At number six is the level which I need to reach just to make a little bit of profit for the day. Okay, and then when we go to number seven, you'll see it on the point and figure. Now on that point and figure, that level looks very, very deep. We're looking at 550 on the DAX, or 12,550. That seems ridiculously a long way to go. But you know what? Sometimes you've got to trust. It's not about what you think. It's what the market is presenting to you as you see it. Okay. I've got a deep stop, and the actual deep stop is 12,752. That tells me I'm completely and utterly wrong, and that actually represents the top of number two, that candlestick. That tells me I'm wrong on this trade. Okay, so I'm looking at a target really. If I get 640, I'd be happy with that. I'll probably take one lot off. Now I want you to have a look at number eight. Okay, on number eight, what you'll see there is the Bund. Okay, and that's the 15-minute on the Bund. Now, if you look at, sorry, squawk again. let me cancel that squawk out for a little bit. So if you look at number 8, okay, you'll see that the bund is rising and rising high. Whereas on the right hand side, the 15-minute, whoa, that's a nice sound, very nice sound. That means I'm going towards my target. Okay, so on the right hand side, on the 15-minute chart, number 5 and 6, okay, you can see that the trend is down. So it's going converse from the bunds. So that's why sometimes you need that confirmation to make sure it's not a fake move. Because if people are pushing the bund up, okay, they don't have the strength to start sort of pushing the DAX up at the same time. So it gives you a little bit more confidence as to where this is going. If you hear another clicking, that's very good because it means that I'm actually in profit. So anyway, that's just a quick sort of idea of an anatomy of a trade. Very nice, very nice. So I'm now in profit mode. If you hear it one more time, it's even better for me. That means that trade has actually now completed. But anyway, that's it for today. Just a quick little sort of round trip of an anatomy of a trade. I hope you enjoy it.